Welcome to our Kubernetes journey as we begin our exploration of workload resource management. Today we are diving into deployment, a workload resource that offers a variety of functionalities. First, versioning. Ever encountered a failed deployment and wish you could roll back to previous version? Well, with versioning, you can do just that. Second, pause and resume deployment. Imagine you are debugging a deployment issue in your development environment, and the ability to pause and resume deployment can be lifesaver. Third, deployment strategies. Kubernetes provide different deployment strategies. The recreate strategy wipes out all existing pod before starting the updated ones, while default rolling update strategy replaces one pod at a time. Pretty neat, right? But hold on, we haven't yet explored multiple pod. That's because we need to grasp another workload resource called replica set before diving into multiple pod deployments. We will get there after some hands-on experience with deployments. The hands-on experience is up next, where we will put all this theory into practice and deploy our first workload resource on Kubernetes. So get ready to harness the power of workload resource management in Kubernetes. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorial and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Kubernetes content. See you in the next one.